It's also been 17 years since the theatre Rang Shankara opened in Bengaluru. The theatre was named for the late actor Shankar Nag and has seen continuous performances broken only by the pandemic. Arundhati Nag spoke to NDTV's Maya Sharma about the challenges of running a theatre in the time of COVID and of the festival staying alive starting today that marks its survival.
We're in Bengaluru's Ranga Shankara Theatre, a theatre inspired by, named after the late Shankar Nag. Joining us, artistic advisor, managing trustee or chief slave as she refers to herself, Arundhati Nag.
Yes.
It's been 17 years now of Ranga Shankara. Can you believe it? Has it sunk in?
I have to take off my mask for this because, yes, it's 17 years. I can't believe it. It seems like yesterday that we had a 45-day festival and we had people from all over the country coming to perform for the inauguration of this space. Sometimes it seems like yesterday, sometimes it seems like the Swiss Alps and the Himalayas put together that one has kind of climbed in these 17 years. But that is the nature of the beast, I guess.
Absolutely. Theatre. Now, how are you planning to mark this? What's special is going to be happening on for the 17 years?
I guess every year is a challenge. Every year we cook up exciting ways of celebrating one more step, one more year gone by. This year, of course, has been so much more challenging. The time of the pandemic has been challenging. I mean, nobody ever imagined that theatre would come to a standstill. All performing artists, all artisans, all craftspeople, everybody's life, I mean, it's like just dead halt. So between half a house, between no houses, between wicked ways of communicating with our audiences, going digital, I've really felt like a monkey trying to innovate new ways of just surviving.
Theatre is so live and so much about the live audience, and going online must have been a huge challenge to start with.
Absolutely, and we were never prepared for it. And also we come from the conviction that the real thing is the real thing and everything else follows. So to kind of adapt to this reality that the pandemic brought with it was not being able to touch one another, not being able to look into one another's eyes was very, very difficult on all of us. But we tried to help the community and keep it going, keep its enthusiasm going. I think as an institution that becomes our job. Okay. So last year we went completely digital because it was really harsh around this time. And this year we have a hybrid festival because till a month ago we really didn't know which way this is going to go, whether people are going to be traveling from one state to the other, whether we are going to be allowed 50% audiences.
We have lived in fear of the third wave.
But we had to take the decision, so we decided to have plan A, B and C. And now we're executing all the three. We have a physical festival. We have supported 4 groups, local groups from Bangalore, to create new pieces. Yes, and as responses to the difficult times that we have gone through, to the learnings of what we all went through in these times. So they're not all sad plays. They're some of them, and the theme is staying alive.
Staying alive, I can see, yes, absolutely. The posters there.
Staying alive, and our friend who creates all our festival creatives has given us a bell jar with a man, a woman, a child and a plant inside the bell jar. So that's how we all survived. And
in our bubbles.
And a bird on the outside. It's almost like life calling and saying, hey, I live. So staying alive is the theme. And within that theme, I think we have put together a nice, decent package of 3 Kannada plays, 1 Hindi play, performed by local troops of Bangalore.
These are live theatre on the stage.
Live, yes. And so that also ensures that we'll have 4 new plays playing in Bangalore. Nobody has produced new stuff in the last 2 years. And we have 1 play which a team which is from Jaipur but has actors also from Bombay, the director from Pune, who dared to meet 10 days a month during this pandemic and rehearse a play. So they've created a new piece inspired by the music of the Manganiyars and a story by Vijay Dandeta. So it's in Rajasthani, Bundelkhandi, Hindi, Punjabi, and it's the last day's show.
That is the final
Yeah,
show.
so that's a small package of 5 plays. We have a digital festival curated by Amitesh Grover, who has been doing very fine work in the digital medium. So I put the gun on his shoulder, and he has curated 5 works of digital in nature, which have been made by people during the pandemic.
During the pandemic, and these digital shows can be accessed by anyone. How does
They
it work?
will be online. They will be online, so a person can go to the Ranga Shankara website, register,
Yes.
and then they get access to that.
To these plays.
Some are paid and some might be free. Yes.
That's excellent. So
And we also have half an hour pieces, performances actually, which will be performed in different parts of the building.
yes, there's a lot of interesting spaces in this building where
Lot of-
performances can, lots of nooks, really. It's a very
that was-
fascinating.
That was also a backup plan. Suppose the government had to shut auditoriums,
Okay.
then we would have had no plays on stage. But we made the other informal spaces adaptable to performances.
In case.
In case.
So what is the status now? Can you have full auditorium?
Full auditorium, 100%. People have to show their proof of vaccination, at least one vaccination. We sanitize the auditorium after every show. We check your temperature at the entrance. We take your telephone number and your location, your email ID, and we force you to wear your mask. You're not allowed inside the auditorium without the mask. So I think we've taken all the precautions that are humanly possible, and the rest of it, we have an announcement also that tells people that it's not only about your health,
Yes.
it's about your co-audience's
Absolutely.
health too.
Absolutely.
So take your health and your life in your control. What else can one do, you know?
Theatre in the time of COVID-19.
Yes.
Thank you so
absolutely.
much, Arundhati. All the very best for the festival.
you.
17 years on, the theme, staying alive, here in Rangashankara, which is marking 17 years of existence this month. With DM Kumar, Maya Sharma in Bengaluru for NDTV.